Secrets. I'm at the Planning Secrets workshop today with Colin Smith, with Property CEO, learning about different planning methods to get developments through.
Who said planning was boring? This guy is creative, amazing. I'm not just saying that. He's a guy that when you have a suitcase, he should be in it. When you open the suitcase out and you take Colin Smith out, he'll solve every single planning question or answer that you have. This guy is amazing.
He's come up with amazing tricks and that I've never even thought about, and I did think I knew a lot about them as well.
We've had lots of little nuggets today, which has been fantastic. Lots of information about how to use Class G, Class MA, which has been really beneficial.
The practical knowledge that you'll gain over the next few hours that I've been here has been amazing. You learn tips and feedback about how you could really be creative around rules in terms of development. To be honest, actually, the investment that I've made in this course will give me returns 20 or 30 times over.
Picked up so many tips, really useful, especially for getting the edge in commercial development, looking at the benefits of Class G and the MA especially.
It's been absolutely phenomenal. I'm already with Property CEO and this is just taking it to the next level. So I've learned so much more about planning for bungalows, for example, which is a strategy we're doing to provide housing for wheelchair users. So for me, it's just going to help us go to the next level.
This is my first ever course on property, my first ever one with Property CEO. I've learned volumes today. It's been 7 hours of phenomenal growth for me, and if you're getting into property or you want to further your property knowledge, I highly recommend coming along.
Lots of examples so you can see yourself and picture in your mind how these developments can really help you in lots of different scenarios. And also it's very interactive, so it doesn't feel as if Colin's simply talking at you. You can really interact, ask as many questions as you want.
Quite a load of new tools in my toolkit. So yeah, if you can make the next one, it's well worth the investment.